Hello students, in this tutorial I will explain you some of the revision activities that I have uploaded onto the Google Classroom under spreadsheet week 18. Sorry. Now first one, let me go into intermediate spreadsheet, which I have already opened here, which tells you that I have opened the exercise in my Microsoft Word already. Just go through these instructions, students, and format the text, font size, color, numbers, shading, text rotation, so. And then you have to enter the data, apples, bananas, for each month. So the way you enter the data is this way. First you write month. First you do the let me just minimize it if it's not coming in the frame. First what you do is you have to write down month or fruits or month, whichever it is. Now in the month January, February, apples, bananas, and you just enter the number of apples in the month of January, February, March, April, so, and bananas, orange, and everything. And then you need to calculate the total for each row and calculate the total for each column. That's it, as simple as that. So you just can highlight it and calculate the total of each row and the total column and the total for each column. If you want, you can just shade those things and you can embolden it, come up with your you know how to do it, so I don't have to say much about those stressing those points. So you can just shade those different colors, okay. And also, how did I do this text rotation is I'm just going to highlight it under home. You will see this text direction orientation, so you can either increase this or you can do this way, or whichever the format be, vertical text or horizontal text. Go ahead, students, explore your options. And then, or otherwise, if you go into format cell alignment, then you have this rotating. You can also play with those line orientation decrease. Sorry. And you can click on OK, and that went way. So I just don't want to do that. So I'm just going to do a little bit more, format it properly. See, there you go. Or if you want it again, up to you guys. Right, that's the way to rotate the text. So that's your first task. And your second task is intermediate spreadsheet, which I have already opened here. This is the one. That's the second task. Enter the raw data below, and you need to enter this data into a spreadsheet, which I have done it already. I have entered the data, copied the data, and you need to calculate the profit and shade it, increase the font size, format the column headings. So up to you. You guys can decide how you want to present your data. So now I'll come to the main part of it. Create a formula to calculate the profit/loss as a currency for each month. So what you can do is as a currency, profit or loss. Profit or loss, how do you calculate? That is income minus expenditure. That will give you profit or loss. So if it is minus, then it is loss. If it is plus, then it is in profit. And then next part of the instruction is create a formula to calculate the profit/loss as a percentage for each month. So how do you use the formula? Percentage for each month is calculated by equal profit or loss divided by income. That will give you the percentage. You see that? That will give you the percentage. So that's how you do it. So once again, this is if you want me to repeat that, I'm just going to delete it. Equal profit or loss divided by income, that is income E3, and that will give me the percentage. So this is already in the percentage because I have set this cell number. I formatted the cell to percentage. If you see number, you will see -12, but I want it in percentage, so I'm just going to highlight it and I click on this percentage. There you go, I have my percentage in there. So it's a 2 decimal percentage. If you don't want it, if you want to round it up, that will be your integer percentage. So that's what the percentage or loss is. Next is next part of it. Create a formula to calculate the annual total for the income, totals for the income, expenditure, profit or loss. All you have to do is you have to find the total here. You just need to do one more addition total. Just find the total of under formulas, auto sum, expenditure, auto sum, profit or loss, auto sum. That's it. The total for that. I'm just going to border that here. There you go. I can shade it if you prefer. Bold it, shade it. And then next part of it is total for the income. Create a formula to calculate the profit slash loss for the whole year. Whole year is this. Profit or loss for the whole year is yeah, there you go. I have done for that also. I've calculated the total of profit slash loss for the whole year as done. That's done as well. And that's it, students. Set up an appropriate header for this spreadsheet and set up a page number for the spreadsheet and place it in the footer. Insert header and footer and have a page number. And now, for example, that's it. That's for the second one, for the second task that you guys are doing on it. Okay, that's done. Let's move on to the third one. Right click. Now enter the raw data. You need to enter this data, students. Again, I will leave this to you guys. You guys can work on it. See, if you guys work and send me the work, I'll be really happy. But if you don't want to take a trouble of working on it, it's totally up to you. But all you have to do is you have to enter the data, create numbers and enter the data in here. Create a formula to calculate the percentage total number of people surveyed that prefers this specific fizzy drink as their first choice. So all you have to do is you have to first you find the total of the first preference and second preference, and then you can calculate the percentage of each drink. Let me see how many of you will send me the work without me doing the video tutorial on this. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.